adding rule groups to your search. Hi, welcome back. Thanks for checking out this Broadstripes tutorial about adding rule groups to your search. You may remember that we built a multiple rule search in our first search builder video. If you haven't seen that video yet, you should probably watch it first before learning how to build groups in this video. In our last video, we built a search for people who are leaders employed at Deluxe Hotel. Now for this video, let's imagine that you need to build a similar search that will find leaders, but at either Deluxe Hotel or at another hotel you organize, Basic Hotel. This search is a little more complex, and it's a perfect example of when to employ a group in your search. Now here I am in Broadstripes Search Builder. What you see here is the completed search I built to show you how this all works. First, you can see that the search combines 3 rules. We have the leadership rule to search for anyone in our project who has any leadership role. That rule is essential to our search. We want every person returned in the search results to have a leadership role. Next, I've added the 2 employer rules to search for anyone who is employed at either Deluxe Hotel or Basic Hotel. You can see that these 2 employment rules are broken out together in this dark gray space. That shows they're part of a group. The group acts like a clause and makes it possible for just one of the rules in this group to be true. The leaders are employed at either Deluxe or Basic Hotel, not both. At the same time, keeping the leadership rule outside of the group lets us tell Broadstripes that everyone we're searching for must be a leader, and they must be employed at one of these 2 hotels. If all 3 rules were part of the group, we'd be seeing anyone who is just a leader, or is just employed by Deluxe Hotel, or is just employed by Basic Hotel. Last, I want to call your attention to the and or switches. They help us connect the rules together properly. We're telling Broadstripes to search for workers who have any leadership role and whose employer is Deluxe Hotel or Basic Hotel. Now let's quickly run through how to build this search. I'll remove the group first to give us a fresh start. We'll leave the leadership rule where it is and move on to adding the group. First, click Add Group. You see that Broadstripes creates a new group for us and automatically creates a new rule as well. We'll just modify this rule so that employer contains the words Deluxe Hotel. Next, staying inside the group, we'll click the Add Rule button. For this rule, employer should contain the words Basic Hotel. Our group is now complete, but before we run the search, we just need to take a look at the and or switches. We want to search for anyone who has any leadership role and whose employer is either Deluxe or Basic Hotel. So this switch will be and. We're searching for leaders and people employed by one of the hotels in the group. And this switch needs to be changed to or. We're searching for leaders employed by either Deluxe or Basic Hotel, not people employed by both hotels. Great, we're all set. Click Search. Everyone with a leadership role at either Deluxe Hotel or Basic Hotel will appear in your search results. And remember, if you ever get stuck while building an advanced search, you can follow the search help or reference links for more guidance. Thanks for watching how to add rule groups to your search. Come back again to learn more about using Broadstripes.